Click cell A20 and type your name, and then click Enter button. Click the Page Layout tab on the ribbon. The solid outline indicates the default print area, the area to be printed. Click the Orientation button in the Page Setup group and then click Landscape. The paper orientation changes to landscape, so the contents will print across the length of the page instead of across the width. Click the Orientation button in the Page Setup group and then click Portrait. The orientation returns to Portrait, so the contents will print across the width of the page. Click the Grid Lines View checkbox in the Sheet Options group on the Page Layout tab. Click the Grid Lines Print checkbox to select if necessary, then save your work. Printing grid lines makes the data easier to read, but the grid lines will not print unless the Grid Lines Print checkbox is checked. Click the File tab, then click Print on the navigation bar. The Print tab in Backstage View displays a preview of your worksheet exactly as it looks when it is printed. To the left of the worksheet preview, you can also change a number of document settings and print options. To open the Page Setup dialog box and adjust page layout options, click the Page Setup link in the Settings section. You can print from this view by clicking the Print button, or return to the worksheet without printing by clicking the Back button. You can also print an entire workbook from the Backstage view by clicking the Print button in the Settings section, then selecting the active sheet on the entire workbook. You can click the Print button and one copy of the worksheet prints. Submit your work to the instructor as directed, then exit Excel.